Kia ora koutou. For one of my children's topics, I created sensory train cards using a rectangular piece of craft wood with my wood-burning pyrography tool. As this particular child was at the age where he was recognizing the shape of words, I also wrote the names of the types of trains underneath or above the picture. Oops! I made a mistake of writing steam too close to the edge of the top. Oh well, luckily it's pencil so it can easily be erased. Once your cards have cooled down, grab an eraser and rub out the pencil lines. Then, test with a smudge stump to see if it is traceable. If you wanted to know where you can get materials that I used in my video, check out my affiliate links in the video description below. If you liked this video, remember to hit the thumbs up. Also hit subscribe and the notification bell to catch the next video.